I start this painting by using a photograph that I took of the pink house downtown Charleston. Add some solvent to a small container so you can dilute the paint and sketch easily. You'd probably be more comfortable if you could set the painting on an easel instead of laying it flat on the table like I'm doing here. If you have it flat on the table, it's kind of hard to get the proportions right. So for the beginners, definitely use an easel or stand and look down at a good angle. The first step is to decide on your composition. So the sketch is just a guide, and if you feel comfortable, if you feel like that looks like you want it to be, then you can continue into adding a base coat. At this point, I'm not too concerned about the colors. I'm just picked some random flat colors to have a base coat so that I can see how the composition looks when you have like full flat areas. And if you cover them, it's much easier to see if the balance is good, if you have like an element that lays heavier on the canvas than another. So not to worry too much about the colors in that stage. Yay, so this is where the fun begins. I can place my colors thickly now that I have the composition sorted. You can see that I covered the whole background with very plain flat color, just so that when I'm working with my impasto, I don't have to worry about filling every single gap and it won't show any raw canvas. So just enjoy, this part is fun. Towards the end of the painting, the process is quite slower and there's a little bit more thinking than just, enjoying it. I get to a point where I kind of like let the painting sit, I analyze, and I look at little details to see if they need anything. So I may add a little bit extra texture somewhere, and well, done. Now let's have a closer look